She's on another mission, Colton.
I'm going to catch her. I'm going to catch her.
It's okay. We'll get your blanket in a second. Roxy, go. Go, Roxy, go.
Where's my mini Roxy?
She takes a break. Whew. Take a break. Whew.
I'm taking a break too. I'm going back in my tent.
Oh, there she goes again. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes, Roxy.
Come here, boy.
She's not a boy. She's a girl, baby.
Come here, Roxy.
Go, Roxy, go. Go, Roxy, go. She's going back again. She wants you to chase her. Here she goes. Get him, Roxy, get him. Go get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. She's just going back and forth. She's just running. She's running laps. Like a choo-choo. She's such a silly girl. Such a silly girl. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. She's going nuts. Get him. Get him, Roxy. Let her in. Let her in. Aw, see, she didn't come in because you didn't let her in.
I didn't let her in.
Hi, Roxy. Are you crazy right now?
Roxy, come in.
Are you crazy? Is that Mama's belly button?
Come in, Roxy.
No, he can't have it right now.
Come in.
All right. Mommy's going to turn off the video. Say bye-bye.
Come in.
Say bye-bye.
Come in, Roxy. Come in. Just come in.
She's so busy. So busy.
So busy?
So busy.
I want to play in here again.
Okay, bye-bye.
I want to touch the kisses.
I'm not going anywhere. Oh, you took your tent with you. All right. Mama's turning the camera off. Say bye-bye.